These are the goods here. But look how smooth that is.
Yeah. These slide right on and you can adjust it. We'll see if Shop Girl can do it. Yeah, it's not gonna budge for me. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and today we are back at Fox Mustang Restoration. In fact, this is kind of a pickup of the previous video. So if you haven't seen that, check that out. I'll throw one of those cards. I haven't done that in a while. It's always fun to throw cards around here on YouTube. But yeah, what we're doing is suspension work on Tarheelfox. Last upload, we replaced the control arms, brand new old stock control arms, good to go. Tiffany helped out with that, but she is gone today. However, today we have new parts to install. They are in these boxes. Oh yeah, Matt is here, FMR, what's up, man? And we have new Conis, but gonna let the man, the myth, the legend himself, Harris Lue, who was here earlier today, gonna let him talk about what's going on in the car. So let me cut to that footage. Got another Foxbody rolling in here. Harris getting some work done to his car today. Calypso. So, see that video? You're gonna have to stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna be a different video. Harris, there's something in this box you should recognize, particularly you.
Man, I've had, yeah, 2 sets of these now, and got a set on both of my cars. So
that's right, yeah, show, that one's open. Let's show them what's inside.
Gorgeous Coney Yellows. I'll make sure to point out every time that they put their logo history here, which is really cool to me.
Oh, I didn't know that, okay.
So there's their original.
That's what the ears are for.
There's the iconic one you see on like the old Ford GTs and the 80s race cars, and then this is the modern. With my cars and our cars, with the era that we are, I like to stick to this logo on my stuff.
Yeah, but yeah, Coney Yellows.
These are the goods here. I mean,
you said you really like these. That's why I got them. Honestly, he's the reason why I bought these. So Coney, you're a Coney ambassador right here. Yeah. You did your job. You got one sell at least.
I mean, and like I've put so many miles on these things. When I took Gramps to Daytona last year, all the way to Florida and back, and you know, I've driven Calypso to Mustang weekend back, and
yeah, you got a set on here, right?
Yeah, I do, and just the comfort, the adjustability. You know, if you want to take it to a track, you can firm them up. If you want to go cruise down the strip, you can make them a little softer and a little more comfortable for your rear end.
I know we don't have the old ones out of the car, but so you have a video on this. That's how I first found out about it. And you got a full how-to install video, right?
Full how-to, where we, you know, we used the Hula Girl as our bumpy meter.
Yeah.
Which came in handy.
Yeah, you don't have her here today, do you? I can't steal her out of the car. Okay, she's in Gramps probably or something.
We don't have a Hula Girl in that one yet. I need to get one that's matched to that car so we play together, because the Hula Girl in Gramps has the red bikini and the ukulele.
Oh, okay.
So I need like a Calypso bikini Hula Girl.
Hey, we all need that. No, wait, Tiffany's over there. Never mind.
But yeah, Emily and I took it around the road, and you know, she's my passenger. So when you're holding the steering wheel, you kind of ignore a few of the bumps and things that happen in the car. But really, you know, having that passenger seat of the pants feel helped us, you know, show the difference between the old shocks I had and the Conis. So I can't wait to see how Tar Heel rides with these brand new cars.
Yeah, and once we get the other struts out, I will basically, we'll do the test that you did, right? Where you try to hold them down, and this one should go,
So that's
and it should spring up pretty good, right?
And it comes right back.
Right, and I'm guessing those, they're Takeovers, I'm guessing they're going to stay compressed.
Well, how long have you had those in there?
They were put in 2004 or 5, something like that.
Yeah, so you're probably going to have some rebound issues. And, I mean, they are a nicer shock brand, so they might not be as bad as my Monroes were, but you'll definitely notice a difference with these either way. When you go ahead and put that on, you see it's got the plus and minus to tell you which way to twist.
That's cool.
But yeah, man, I'm excited to see you get these on the car.
Yeah, but yeah, like I said, I'm at FMR, Matt's helping me, and we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. So mainly it's gonna be about struts and shocks. We got a little bit of work, got to finish up on this side for the control arm. You got a little bit of work we got to do on this side, like getting the spring back in and just some small things. So we're gonna cover that first. Then once that's done, we're gonna get into the new Coney struts, catch up with you right after I get the springs in. All right, guys, what you saw in the time lapse there was me putting on the tie rod end, not really covering that how-to, but I needed to do that one. Did go ahead, like I told you guys, and get the springs in. I know it's a little dark over here, but see the spring is in there, so it's all buttoned up. So it is strut time. And that's what Matt is already working on over here on this one side. Got the new Coney Yellow. Here's the old Takeover. I got it in 2004, 5, something like that. So it's been on there a while.
You got your use out of it.
Yeah, that's right. Got my money's worth. And Matt's already started the install on this one. We're gonna show you guys how to do the other side, a little more detailed, but it's gonna be the same for each side, pretty much, right, Matt? as far as installation?
Absolutely.
Pretty hard to compress down.
That's good.
And then,
Alright, so that one's still got pressure.
Yeah.
Looks like it's leaking just a little bit. You got a little bit of oil residue up there, but other than that, it looks like it still could be usable to a point.
Uh-oh. If I take this off, Matt, it says I'm going to void the warranty. Do not.
Oh, don't take the sticker off,
Yeah.
man. You don't want to void the warranty.
Right.
It's like the pillow tag, right?
Exactly. I wonder if they would take it now. Definitely after that many years, Matt. I think I'd rather change it.
Yeah, 15. Go for it.
Yeah, 15 years old. Oh,
Yeah.
what a fall. This side is all done. Good to go. Here's the old Takeover again. One more last look, but the Coney Yellows look so good in there. Up top. There we go. And these are fully adjustable. So here we go. We'll probably play around with the adjustments, but you just put these on there. There we go. These slide right on and you can adjust it. I think right now it's at a default setting of 3. Anyway, gonna go ahead and get the other side in, show you that, and we'll play with this adjustment after a little driving. First thing we did is we've got a jack stand here, and that's what we're putting the A-arm down on. Now, we're not doing a full how-to this time on this. Harris actually installed these. You saw him earlier in the video. So if you want to see how he installed his, check his channel out. I have a link to that video down in the description below. But Matt, what you're basically doing here is if we took the strut off without putting this jack stand underneath, then the spring would just fly out. Is that basically right?
Yeah, well, we probably wouldn't even be able to get the bolts out because there would be so much tension from the knuckle pulling down and the strut pulling up, pinching the bolts in. So yeah, we have
They just get like jammed in there.
Yeah, we have to compress the spring to take all the spring tension off of this assembly. So that's the whole point of doing that. So now we can break the bolts loose, and we take these 2 bolts loose here, take the one nut up off top, and then swap it out.
Yeah, and we tried that on the other side with the impact, and these are 150 foot-pounds. It didn't get them off at all.
Didn't budge it.
No. I'm gonna try and well on this, and we'll see. Matt's using his typical 2 wrenches for more power.
Yeah. You want
See
to
how
give
it goes.
that
Yeah,
a
I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna hand this off to you.
Yeah, yeah. See what happens if you don't pay attention to that lineup? That's why you brace yourself too.
Here, what?
There you go.
It was in the last video. Let's see.
Nope.
Nope. I'm having trouble with this.
Nope.
And trying to do it on this one.
Yep.
All right.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
You just had it in there.
Nope.
Oh, wait.
Oh, close.
Okay, flip it
Good
over.
idea, but flip it around. Yeah, yay! All
I think I'll
right.
leave all that in. Just
All right, yeah, that's the first time you got it, so you should. There you go. Now you got to do it again.
All right. This is why we just show you one side, guys.
Yep. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Step-
Nope.
it's not gonna work.
There you go.
All right.
Hey, that
That's
was
a little
faster that
quicker.
time.
I'm learning. This one's tough. Might have to tag you in, buddy.
All right, and don't hurt your back, man.
Yeah, it's not gonna budge for me.
Okay.
I installed the control arms earlier today. I think I used it all up on those.
That's fair.
There you go.
There we go.
You can hear me breathing heavy over here. I was trying, guys. I hurt my back a while back, but look, Matt, I'm wrenching again. I'm back to wrenching.
Dude, you've been going all day, so.
Yeah. This is actually the second video for us today, guys. There we go. So those things, 150 foot-pounds, no joke. Guess they put them in right, man. So I'm about to use the impact to remove these 2. I got a wrench to hold the other side so it won't move on me. Once these are off, then we'll go ahead and unscrew this one, and that's pretty simple. We'll catch up with you guys right after we've done that. Almost done with the strut and saw. As you saw in the time lapse, I was having some trouble compressing the strut. Matt raised the lift a little bit and that helped me out. So that's in. What I got to do now, these are going to 150 foot-pounds, just like the control arms. Got to really put my back into it, as they say. And this, so yeah, this is about 30 foot-pounds. The big thing I do want to call out, guys, we want to make sure not to break these tabs off. So we're being very careful with that, because as soon as you break this off, there goes your adjustment, and that's no good. I mean, if you buy Koni adjustable yellow, you want to adjust them. So that's about it. Got to do that. Got to get the brakes on. Also, if you guys remember from a while back, I was originally going to use these shocks and struts on the SSP over there in the corner. Got these parts, got them all from Steeda. So big shout out to Steeda. I talked to them. They said, yeah, it's fine. They were having a back order of these anyway. I knew I wasn't gonna get them in time for Tarheelfox, but I talked to them, made sure it would work. It's the same Foxbodies. So, but yeah, big shout out to Steeda for getting me these shocks and struts. They hooked me up. So I didn't know if you guys know that. I didn't know that. You can order Koni's from Steeda. So yeah, we're about done. Let me go ahead, get these suckers down to 150 foot-pounds. We'll put the brakes back on and then we'll take it for a little test drive. All right, guys, did go ahead, torque these down to 150. All good to go there now. And yeah, pretty much we're ready to put the wheels back on, although we do have to still do these shocks in the rear. It's pretty late. I did a lot here today. Put in the new control arms, put in the new struts, as you saw. So for me, that is gonna be another day. But for you guys, I am gonna go ahead and finish out the shock install as part of this video. So let's go ahead, cut to that, go to the next day. And we're back. Another day for me, another shirt, but for you guys, same video. Pretty cool. So already obviously got the wheels and tires back on. I've driven it. It definitely drives a lot better as far as when I hit bumps in the front. You know, the car used to like shake real bad when you hit a big bump. A lot better now, but we still have to do the rears. But yeah, I got Takeovers back here too. You can see that. There you go. Gonna take the shocks out. Gonna take this bolt off, nut off rather. On both sides. Then I'm gonna lower it down, set some jack stands here on the axle. And of course I got some nuts up the top there I'm gonna have to take off. Got to pull the trunk apart for that. So pretty easy install. Like I said, if you want to see the true full install, Harris has a video. I've already mentioned that, but the link to that video is in the description down below if you kind of want to know how to do this. Struts and shocks are pretty simple. So, but since we're here, since it's another day, why don't we go ahead and see how Tiffany's doing over on the car. Surprise, surprise, always doing this to you. Wow, you've been staying on this, right? I did not work on this prior.
No, so I'm having to cut through the very thick layer of black. It takes a long time. Start to see the primer and cut through. They put a very thick layer of this black over top, so it takes a long time. And so
yeah, but it's really coming along, guys. So I forget what we've shown at this point. You've probably already seen this.
My goal, lofty, is to try to finish up this today.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see if Shop Girl can do it. Shop Girl.
Oh.
All right, guys, got the old Takeovers out, and I want to show you the Koni's before they go in. They look very nice, and I did have some help pulling them out. This is another day, like I told you guys. Harris, what's up, man?
What's up, y'all?
Welcome back. You can see he's hard at work. Hard at work there.
Kind of figured out the hardware here. We went and rewatched one of my videos to figure out how to put the bushings on and the hardware and the nuts, and he's gonna throw them in there and Koni improve this thing. And
riding it, yeah. The front definitely rides way different than before. Actually, you know what's funny is that guy over there, where'd he hide at? He said he might want a set of these. Can you imagine Matt having a set of aftermarket parts on his car?
Hey, we got to get something set up here. I mean, they did put them on the SVOs, right?
That's true.
You know, they're kind of Ford original.
Is he feeling okay, Jen? Are you sure Matt's feeling okay?
Yeah, I mean, if it's quality, then
there you go.
He'll go for it, for sure.
Koni quality, can't beat that.
Since the Mustang's been around, they've had Konis on them, so it's pretty cool to hear that Matt wants to put some on his cars.
I know.
We did this on the Takeovers off camera, and they kind of had a little skip when they rebounded. Yeah. Where there might be some
air in the
cylinder, but look how smooth that is.
Yeah, cannot wait. There we go. So if you want to know how to actually install these, check out Harris's channel. In the meantime, Harris, help me out.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, I know a lot of time lapse near the end of this video, but check it out. We have Koni's, and Harris helped me put label out. See, gotta have the label the outside just in case the wheels come off, right, Harris?
Yeah, exactly. And you can see it through the wheel right here.
Oh, you can? All right.
You can get that nice little.
Oh, check that out. All right. All right. I get it. That was a good suggestion. I like that. But yeah, we are now Coney improved, and we are going to find out how they ride in another video. We're going to mess with the adjustments. We're going to do all the adjustments later. So I'm excited. All done, and we have other videos to make, so you definitely want to stay tuned to the channel for that. Big shout out again, thanks to Harris Lue Creative for helping out with this one.
Yeah.
And as always, thanks to that guy from FMR, aka the other Matt, aka Matt. We don't have a name for him now. I don't know, Fox Doc, Dr. Foxbody, Doc Fox. Doc Fox. That's what we're thinking about. We're thinking about Doc Fox, right? Like Doc Brown. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday, Wednesday, and you never know when I'm going to break a glove. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Maybe I'll have Tiffany dress up like a hula girl for that video.
You have a Ramses bobblehead?
That's what I need. That's
There
what I
you
need.
go.
I don't have it, but I need it.
You need to 3M tape you a Ram bobblehead on the dash, and just for the video.
Let's try this. All right.
Wait, I forgot I was videoing.
Yeah, you got a video too.
Yeah, so I won't shoot the floor.
I was having some trouble. Yeah. The trouble. We do like Star Trek. Like Star Trek, man. Yeah, Star Trek's pretty good. Anyway.